Telepathy has long been a favorite fantasy of fictional writers, and a number of telepaths have been very popular in the pop culture. What if I tell you that you also are a telepath? So is the rest of humanity. Not to the scale of the Martian Manhunter who could track the Flash through multiple timelines or bend gods and demons to his will, or even Professor Charles Xavier for that matter, who could communicate with the entire Earth simultaneously. All these are a bit extreme, but an experiment conducted in 2014 proved that human beings indeed can perform telepathy. As during the experiment, communication was established between two brains separated by 7,768 kilometers without speaking, typing, or texting a single word. In this experiment conducted by a team whose members come from Barcelona-based research institute Star Lab, DC Comic references anyone, French firm Exilum Robotics, and Harvard Medical School, a person in India said hola and ciao to three other people in France. Today, the web, smartphones, and international calling might make that not seem like an impressive feat, but it was. The communication in question happened between the brains of a set of study subjects, marking one of the first instances of brain-to-brain communication on Earth. The experiment was successful, as the correspondents neither spoke nor typed nor even looked at one another. But it was more of a proof of concept than anything else, and the technique still has a long way to go. The process for it was long drawn out, if not downright inelligent, and took about 70 minutes to complete the communication. The process for it needed teams to establish binary codes equivalent to letters. For example, H became 00111, and then with EEG sensors attached to the sky, the sender moved either his hands or feet to indicate a 1 or a 0. The code then passed to the recipient over email. On the other end, the receiver was blindfolded with a transcranial magnetic stimulation TMS system on his head. TMS is a non-invasive method of stimulating neurons in the brain, and it's most commonly used to treat depression. The TMS headset stimulated the recipient's brain, causing him to see quick flashes of light. A flash was equivalent to a 1 and a blank was a 0. From there, the code was translated back into text. This was a small step towards engineering telepathy and might be years, if not decades, before we perfect it. But it is a proof that our brain is capable of sending and receiving signals. It can be compared to a cell phone without a SIM card or a network to be precise. We know the cell phone is capable of transmitting and receiving, but what it lacks right now is in the absence of the SIM is the access to the network that connects it to the other cell phones. In this activity, this network connectivity was provided by the internet, and once the brains were connected to it, communications was possible. Having said that, I do think that our brains are indeed connected to a network. However, perfecting it and accessing it has long been abolished and is very controversial. Watch this space for a discussion on this topic, which is extremely controversial but can get us a lot of answers if we look at it rationally. Watch the next video for the answer. Hi, I hope you're enjoying the videos. I'm not going to beg or persist or force you to subscribe or like the channel. But if you feel the content is worth it,